Age is just a number when it comes to pickleball game. And here right now you can see in a 50 plus category, Geeta from Tamil Nadu and Nadneet for Assam. They're busy playing a match. And that is what actually is attracting more and more people towards this game, because it is not the age that is stopping anyone from trying this game. Here you can see it hardly matters whether your color here is grey. But what really matters is that your interest in the game, and that is what we have seen over the period of time. This game has really become quite popular, not only in India, but different parts of the world. Here right now you can see in the national tournament that is being held at the Bennett University, which is called the World Class Court, 14 pickleball court here at Bennett University, and match right now in progress, and spectators really trying to add thrill to the game. And it is the last moment. And let's see that who is really going to win the game. But what is more important, that whosoever is going to win, at the end of the day, it's the game that is really going to win, because more and more people getting attracted towards this game. They say it is addictive, because once you start playing this game, you start loving this game. And that is what exactly is happening. You can see Geeta, it was just only a few months back, she decided to play this game. And today, she is playing in a national tournament. That's the 4th Indian Pickleball National Tournament. And this has already led to the excitement among the people. You can see many of youngsters are watching them playing, and that's going to further inspire them. And that's really the big thing about this tournament and the best thing about this game. And we have seen that over the period of time, more and more people are just holding paddle in their hand. As you can see, their energy, their enthusiasm, their grit, their determination, when they smash their paddle and make the ball run from one side to another side. And this perforated ball, that's also known as pickleball, that adds to the excitement, that makes many people who are standing and watching this match skip their beat as you see the player moving from one part to another part. And the other important thing is that about this game is that it has got 4-in-1 fun. When we say 4-in-1, because even the tennis player, even the badminton player, even ping ball players, and not only that, even we can see the people who love badminton, they start playing this game because it has got the fun of all the 4 games. And when you have 4 ka fun in one game, why not to play that? And that is exactly what is happening right now. You can see Nazir Rahman right now trying to smash the ball, making things a little bit difficult for Geeta right now at this stage. And this is going to be a very exciting match, and it has led to a lot of excitement among people. Whosoever is watching this game here at the Bennett University, that has become paradise for each and every enthusiast. Only place in the country that can showcase the world class here right on the court. And finally, Nasin has won the match. Let me speak to her. How you really feel that you have defeated Geeta? How excited you're feeling?
I'm really excited. It was a good win. She is a very experienced player. She really keeps a lot of balls inside. So it was nice playing with her, playing with a good competitor. Yes.
So you expected that you are going to win this match?
Yeah, I when I go into court, I always want to win a match. So
now there's going to another match with whom?
Maybe we have qualified for the knockout.
You're qualified for the knockout.
Yeah.
So see, she is quite excited because finally they have won this match. It's a big day for the Assam because it was only few months back they were introduced to the game. And see, within months, she had been able to win this match during the national tournament. And let me speak to Geeta also, because when we talk about this pickleball, age is not the criteria.
Actually, that's true, because I'm 64 and I'm playing against women who are just above 50. So it's really not the age, but I love the game, and it's been great to represent my state. Even though I lost, it's not upsetting me because I know I played my best.
Geeta, even if you have lost, but what I say is that your spirit, your enthusiasm has won.
Good,
because
yes.
that is what is more important. I feel like saluting your determination. You're no less than a 40, because they also don't think twice, because you also didn't think twice when you picked up this paddle. Can you tell us more about this game? What excites you and what made you pick up this game, and when you started it?
I started playing, I think when I visited the US a couple of years ago, but I live in a place called Kodaikanal where there's no pickleball court. So whenever I travel, I try to play the game. So that's how I play, and I've taken part in a few tournaments. It's been fun. And I think what is nice about it is especially the doubles. You can play your best and still feel like, you're not going to have any injuries.
How do you see this Bennett University here having so many world-class courts at one premises?
I mean, I can tell you one thing. From the minute I walked into this campus, I thought I would join this college in a heartbeat to study all over again. because it's unbelievable. Your campus is beautiful, and I don't mean just, there's so many buildings, but you've spaced out the buildings so beautifully. I see youngsters walking all over, not, how can I say, there's no, they don't feel cramped up, it's like most colleges do.
How you find these courts here?
I mean, brilliant. Not just these courts. I've gone and looked at your athletic thing. You've got a fantastic football field, a cricket field, basketball. You have swimming, badminton, tennis, squash. I'm impressed. I'm very impressed because it's not just about education. Sports is so important. And
I think the vibes made you feel more younger when you entered this university.
100%. I already feel very young. This makes me feel even younger. You're right.
This makes her feel even younger. She says that she has lost the match. But yes, what is more important is her grit and determination. And what is really more important is that the moment she stepped inside the Bennett University, she felt like once again joining university and wanted to have a feel of the student life, because nothing can be more better. Because this university is not only known for its academic excellence, but also for its sporting activity. And you can see here all these young women. It was 64 plus playing with the 50 plus women. And finally you can see that Jazba Junoon, that is quite visible. And that is what actually is making this game more and more popular. Pradeep Datta with Karthik for Times Network.